The AUTOPSTENHOJ Masterlift 2.35 NxT Saa has been developed for repair, maintenance and bodywork on vehicles up to 3.5 tons. The double telescopic swivel arms, with an extremely low minimum height from 78 millimeters, make it possible to even lift cars of the latest generation, and even sports cars perfectly. The positioning of the lifting pads at the lifting points is precise and safe. The internal arm locking system is a truly special feature and unique on the market. The particularly strong locking mechanism is protected against dirt and moisture, offering a high level of functional reliability. The piston distances of 2,600 millimeters ensures optimum drive-through width and accessibility for electric vehicles, vans, and even the smallest cars. The chassis is designed to minimize the risk of damage to tires and rims, a real all-rounder. The working height of more than 2 meters not only enables safe, but also ergonomic working under the vehicle. It's its complete flexibility that makes the Masterlift 2.35 NxT Saa so unique, either with lifting pads or with wheel supports. With our slim and low-design E-adapters, we offer a simple yet safe solution for lifting e-cars. The combination of E-adapter and multi-adapter is ideal. If lifting pads or E-adapters are not an option, you can quickly and easily switch to our wheel support devices. In the 1,000 kilogram version, the maximum liftable wheelbase is even extended by 300 millimeters due to the eccentric mounting, perfect for vehicles even with a very long wheelbase. The control unit with programmable CE stop for the lower safety area can be installed according to the customer's wishes. The lifting capacity and a short illustrated operation manual are displayed on it. Corrosion-free guiding elements provide a high degree of stability. The stainless steel tile frame of our steel cassettes ensures a clean and long-lasting floor finish. The cassette cover, made of extruded anodized aluminum, is strong enough to safely absorb the large forces when removing the high-voltage battery of an EV, and also completes the overall visual appearance of the lift. The hard chrome-plated next-generation cylinder lifts the vehicle effectively and safely to the required height in less than 30 seconds. It is also possible to safely lower the lift without electric power, just in case. The wide range of accessories offers solutions for any kind of lifting situation. The low wear and low maintenance construction of the Masterlift 2.35 Saa is convincing, with an extremely long service life of 25 to 30 years and hardly any breakdowns. The bottom line, you can expect rapid returns on investment. Thanks to the modularity of the next generation in-ground design, the Masterlift 2.35 NxT Saa can be synchronized either via a synchronization bar or via a toothed rack. Obviously, these lifts have received numerous product recommendations from leading vehicle manufacturers.